look at that. Just look at that. Wow. Oh no, it's bigger than I thought. So many beautiful rocks. That's a nice thing to find on my way out. Hi everybody, it's Kate from KatyDid, and I am here on the Yellowstone River with Mr. Did. We're actually at the Powder River Depot, which is the junction of Powder River and the Yellowstone. And we've done a little bit of hiking and now we're on the beach. So let's see if we can find some rocks. Come along. This area, I was just finished telling Jim that this area is where I found some really excellent petrified wood and agatized wood. And just right here, look at that. Isn't that just stunning? It's almost clear. It's so agatey. Very nice. Jim just found this. He's going to squirt it off for us so that we can see what it is. And it looks like it's silica with some kind of clear and some white. Can you pick it up?
Yep. Probably gets out of the way.
Wow, that's really pretty. I wouldn't call it an agate exactly, but it certainly is a nodule of some kind. Maybe a jasper agate because it's got some red in there.
Yeah.
I like it. Very cool.
Keep it?
Yep. Just picked up this beautiful piece of chert, and I think I just found the first agate of the day.
That's an agate.
It's kind of an interesting one because it's not as clear as some of them are.
Yeah,
but look at the
stuff.
dendrites. Yes. Oh, you know it. Very cool. And then right next to it, here is this gigantic piece that I'm pretty sure is a piece of jasperized petrified wood. Wow, look at that. Just look at that. Wow. Oh no, it's bigger than I thought.
That one's pretty too.
Ooh, that's a pretty jasper.
What colors in that?
Oh man, green and yellow. Oh my gosh, that is perfect. That's a keeper, take it home.
Kava, what are you doing?
All right, let's see if we can get this big thing out of here. See, it's bigger than you thought. Yes! Okay, I think we got to leave that one on top of something because I don't want to carry it all up and down. Just look at all the colors in that thing. You suppose it goes all the way through?
Seems to.
Oh man, look at that. Oh my gosh, that's just so beautiful. Think of the slabs that's going to make.
That's a nice piece.
Yeah, it is. We're a little puzzled because the agates here, or at least the things that are almost agates, are not, they don't look the same as the ones that I'm used to. They're sort of not quite milky and not quite agatey. I don't think that one's worth keeping though. Wow, look at the colors in this jasper. Jasper agate, I guess. Wow, that is gorgeous. Ooh, looks like Mr. Burton is finding something really good here today. Nice. All right, can you find the jasper? No? Can you find the agate? Can I say what it is? It's just a little one, but it's nice and clear. Oh, that's heavy. Wow, another nice agate chunk. This green rock here, I'm not going to take it along even though it is green, is what's called porcelainite, and it comes in just all different colors, and this area is really, really great for it. I really like this stuff. And you can polish it too. Huh. Kind of a near agate, I guess. It's not quite agate, but boy, it's got all the pieces, doesn't it? It's got the snake skin, it's got the glassy colors, or the glassy surface. It's so hard. Maybe I'll take that one home and slice it open so we can see what the difference is. This jasper is a pretty one. Wow, it's got all these patterns in it. Neat. If you enjoy these videos, be sure and click the subscribe button. Likes, shares, and comments also help this channel grow. If you want to share in the treasures, check out my Etsy store, KatyDidRocks, on Etsy. All right, Mr. Did is showing me up. Apparently I walked right over this sucker and I didn't even see it. That is a nice agate. This very interesting stone is a jasper agate. It's kind of orange around the outside and red on the inside. I just have to take it home. Look at how glassy it is. Sometimes the Yellowstone just gives you some crazy looking stuff. There's some fortifications in that, some bands, different colors. Jim says it looks like an Easter egg. Not any Easter egg I ever made though. Look at that. Beautiful. Ah. This is another just really interesting rock. Mixed with all kinds of different stuff. It's silica. We'll have to take a closer look at that when we get home.
this is going to be just gorgeous. Wow.
Well, it's a beautiful day on the beach. I'm really loving this fall weather, and I really love this place. I hope you had a good time. This is Kate from KatyDid. Keep on doing.